Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to drawing a picture use Autotrace. First, go to add-ins, active Autotrace, just check it. Okay. Now go to front plane. After that, go to tools, go to sketch tools. Click sketch picture. For example, we use this picture. Insert this picture. See? After that, click this arrow. Select this tool. Click and choose what part of picture need to sketch like this. Next, click begin strange. See? Sketch make it. Now, you just need to adjust the auto strange parameter to make the sketch better, like this. See? Okay. Suppress this picture. See? Sketch is make it. Now active extrude boss. Click sketch 1. Click OK. See? Now let's try again. Go to this front plane. Insert picture. Use this picture. Click this arrow, select this tool, choose part of picture, maybe this letter. Click begin trench, adjust the auto trench parameter, like this. Okay. Suppress this picture. See? Active extrude boss. Click sketch 2. Okay. See? Now you know how to convert picture to sketch. Go to appearance. Choose black color. Okay. That is a quick tips. See ya.